The souls of more than 200 other planets have been brought down to different places. These souls have also taken birth in various places. Starseed souls are those souls who are believed to have come to Earth from another planet or dimension. The story of 42-year-old Kelly Tyler from London is that her soul was replaced by the soul of an alien. Your soul is a descendant of a distant star system. Have you ever looked at the stars and felt old memories that you can't put into words? You feel as if there's a story about your past written in the stars, but you can't quite understand it. I wish I could travel to those planets and journey through all the beautiful galaxies of the universe. I wish I could. I wish I could explain why I don't feel like I belong on Earth. I wish I knew why I'm drawn to a particular star, constellation, or group of stars. Is it just curiosity or is it something spiritual? Is the experience of awakening a deep inner knowing that your soul is a descendant of a distant star system? Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to all of you. This is Sanjiv Malik, live to the YouTube channel. There are many things in this world for which answers have yet to be found. But they are so powerful that they deeply affect a person and their relationships. Just like the soul of a star-seeded person, it is not considered to be connected to this planet, which is why they experience things that, even if they try to express, others cannot understand. Do you ever feel that no matter how hard you try, you just can't blend in with people? Does your way of thinking about situations match with very few people? Do you always feel out of place? If yes, then it is possible that your connection is with another planet or a starseed. This entire concept can be understood with the help of the term starseed. These days, the use of this term has also become quite common. People who are starseeds display some special traits. Learn about these things and see if you might be one of these people too. Starseeds are also known as star people and indigo children. This idea was first introduced in 1976 by Brad Steiger in his book Gods of Aquarius. According to this, some people are alien-human hybrids whose true origin is from another star or planet. These souls enter a new human body and come to Earth in their new birth. Starseed souls are those souls who are believed to have come to Earth from another planet or dimension. Their purpose is to lead humanity into a golden age and make the Earth healthy. These individuals feel a sense of brand connection. They often have a strange longing for the stars and possess intense intuition, vision, and the ability to sense others' emotions. There are no specific physical traits of a starseed, but they may feel inspired to fulfill a mission, heal personal traumas, or bring more peace and harmony to the world around them. They seek a greater mission or purpose in their lives. They often value spiritual growth more than material comforts. Starseeds possess heightened empathy and inner knowledge, that is, intuition, which allows them to easily sense the emotions of others. Starseed souls believe that they have come from another planet to be born here. These souls claim to have come from other dimensions to heal the Earth. They call themselves star people or starseeds. Some have spoken of being drawn to bright lights, while others have described feeling their soul leaving their body. A woman from Britain has made such a claim that you'll be left scratching your head after hearing it. The woman claims that she was about to die when an alien swapped souls with her. When the story of 42-year-old Kelly Tyler from London came to light through the ITV show This Morning, even the listeners were left stunned. The woman, who is a business consultant by profession, claims that after a near-death experience in her childhood, her soul was swapped with that of an alien. Kelly's story emerged at a time when Harvard University recently claimed in a study that aliens are living among us. Kelly said that it all began when she became seriously ill with whooping cough at the age of 8. The woman said that during this experience, she developed a telepathic connection with her friend Tom, who was visible only to her. She also revealed that her soul and Tom's were exchanged under an agreement, which has now made her a starseed. The term starseed refers to beings who have lived on planets other than Earth and possess special abilities. Kelly says that she prefers to be called a starseed rather than an alien because the word alien carries a lot of stigma. The woman believes that starseeds have come to Earth to help humanity and assist people in reconnecting with their natural senses. Kelly explained that after her soul transformation, she no longer felt any emotional attachment to her childhood. According to her, after this event, her intelligence and social skills improved dramatically, but she became less outgoing, more shy, and introverted. She says that all of this happened because of her otherworldly friend, who completely changed her personality. Starseeds are highly advanced spiritual beings and souls originating from distant planetary systems and galaxies, which are generally far from Earth. These evolved souls possess not only special abilities and gifts within themselves, but also abundant knowledge. Unlike humans and angels of Earth, starseed souls are here on Earth to fulfill a specific mission or task. Souls from more than 200 other planets have been sent to different places. These souls have also taken birth in various places. However, it is believed that among this small number, there are actually more different types of starseeds and star beings present. One thing is certain, they are truly remarkable. From a young age, starseeds know that they are different. There may not be any physical difference between you and others, but you might feel as if you are looking in from the outside. A new survey has revealed that many people living in different countries around the world believe that they are actually aliens sent to Earth to save humanity. These people claim to have come from other dimensions to help heal the Earth. Starseed souls do not feel a deep attachment to any physical thing or place. Instead, they always prefer to keep traveling, which allows them to see new places. Places rich in greenery, mountains, rivers, and similar things give them the most peace. A London-based survey agency, Yoga, conducted a survey which revealed that half of the people in Britain believe that aliens exist and 7% believe they have seen a UFO. Researchers from Manchester Metropolitan University said this. Starseeds believe that they are a conduit between divine realms and Earth. Through their attire, they can travel between galaxies. They are beyond human limitations and communicate with our souls. Let us know your thoughts about the video in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel today for more information on such important topics. Thank you very much for joining the Sanjiv Malik Life Coach family.